day 4 of our road trip in Switzerland. We spent 3 days in Zurich. जिसमें से एक दिन we were bedridden. I was bedridden. But we made the most of our 3 days in Zurich, going to the Rhine Falls, to Titlis, to a bit of Lucerne, and it was a lot of fun, honestly.
But Akshay, 4 दिन हो गए. I feel like time is just flying. Like it's already been 4 days of the trip over. ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है.
I mean, of course, vacations mein time always does seem to fly, but we're trying to make the most of this vacation despite all the troubles that I'm bringing on to both of us with my stiff neck and with my feet.
Yesterday,
I am still suffering from the neck stiffness that I acquired yesterday. It's exacerbated over the last 24 hours. It was really bad in the morning.
24 hours later.
Don't say that. No, it's nothing like that. I think this is also part of the experience. Like as we were saying, life happens. You can't expect ki trip everything is going to be perfect.
Sahi baat.
So, and I learned a lot through taking care of you and just making sure that everything is okay and going to the doctor. Like everything was a new experience. So we'll take it as an experience and not worry about it.
Why was it so new for you? I mean, is it because I don't fall ill at all?
No, but for the first time, one of us has fallen ill abroad. And हमें नहीं पता था medical system कैसे work करता है. So yeah, just because of that.
Yeah. So now today, as you would have seen in our previous vlog, we had said we will be driving to Florence, and we are already on our way. And the reason why we are vlogging while already driving is because we're already late. We slept in a tad bit too late, got a bit too comfortable, and we were supposed to leave by 7. We left at 8:30. And I don't want to make up time by driving too fast because I do want to enjoy the drive as well. But yeah, we are going to Florence again because Sangeeta is really fond of Florence. It's like
you just said last vlog mein that it's my favorite city, not.
Yeah, it's my favorite city as well. But adding Florence to this, we've already been to Florence twice. Once during our Italy trip and last year during our France trip. Now, while I do love Florence, going to Florence a third time will require more than just my love for the city, and that is your love.
It is. So yeah, we are going there. I'm going to do a little bit of shopping if I find something. वैसे कोई plan नहीं है because last year during our France trip I did a lot of shopping. कुछ चीज़ें तो अभी तक I have not started using them. So don't want to do it excessively. However, let's see. But another reason why we are going to Florence is for the food. I mean, Italian food is to die for. It's our favorite cuisine. So yeah, we're gonna have a lot of pizzas, and surprisingly, we are also planning. We'll see. We want to have sushi there. So they have like these all-you-can-eat sushi buffet kind of restaurants, and we have sampled quite a few, like at least 5 or 6 of them, and one of them is our favorite. So we'll see if we want to have dinner there. Yeah, all in all, have a nice time in Florence.
Yes, we've not planned it to the T, but let's see. We will figure it out as we go along. I have to drive quite a bit right now and I'm feeling extremely sleepy, so I'm gonna get a coffee for myself. How is it?
Very
क्या
good.
आप जाग रहे हैं?
Yes.
We finally crossed into Italy.
Yay!
Yay! And we didn't have to pay any cross-border fee, unlike last time when we were going from France to Italy. There was a border toll plaza, but we just confidently drove past it. Nobody stopped us.
It had said that keep your passports ready. So we thought ki rokenge, and there were a lot of police patrolling there. However, they didn't stop us. So we drove confidently. मतलब क्या क्यों होंगे अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट? क्या कर रहे हैं गलत?
मतलब हमने कुछ पूछा नहीं कि हम बाहर देश के हैं.
नहीं पूछना होता है.
And also our car is marked with a sticker which indicates that it's a rented car, right? But despite that, they didn't stop us or ask us for our passports or anything. So pretty smoothly we've crossed from Switzerland into Italy.
And there is no fees, which is great.
Yes.
Because I think last time from France to Italy it was like I think 60 euros.
Yes.
6,000 रुपए लगते हैं. Just a note for everybody.
Yeah.
But Switzerland to Italy, nothing.
Correct.
Great.
Now it's another about a 3.5 hour drive to Florence, and we are on our way to the mall. We need our retail therapy, annual retail therapy, to be done at the mall.
Let's go to the mall, everybody!
So for those people maybe new to our channel, so the mall is like a congregation of all the luxury brand outlets, and you get most of good luxury brands for 20, 30, 40% discount. And the collection here in Florence is the best that we have seen so far. And the people are super nice, and sometimes if you need specific products that they don't have, they also help you to know where you can find this product all over Italy. So all in all, a great experience, and we love to go to the mall. This will be our third time
Yeah.
there.
Let's go to the mall today.
Just adding on to what you mentioned about it being the best among all. So, just for context, we've been to several such outlet malls, 3 in Italy, 1 in Paris. So we've been to there's a similar congregation somewhere near to Naples. We've been to the branch of the mall in San Remo, which is on the Italian-French border, and then we've been to La Valley Village, which is in Paris. And honestly, across all these 4, collection-wise, discount-wise, and as well as the number of brands that are there, the mall in Florence is the best.
Yeah.
Which is why it is our favorite outlet mall to go to, and hence whenever we are traveling to Florence, we always ensure we make a trip to the mall. So folks, in case you are in Florence and you're figuring out how to get to the mall, one of the easiest ways is to take this bus that you're seeing on the right side of the screen. It's a service run by the mall, and they have regular buses from and to Florence from the mall. Every 15-20 minutes they have this bus, so you can always take this bus and it drops you right at the mall. They have various pickup points across the city, and I think there's a reasonable charge for
Yes.
it. I don't remember the exact amount.
We'll put it on the screen.
We'll add it over here and maybe in the description or on the screen, but it's a very reasonable amount, and it gets you to the mall within half an hour to 45 minutes. So we just thought we'll add that to the vlog. Now overtaking the bus and onwards to the mall. We got ourselves a few things from Coach. I got myself some slip-ons
Yes.
And you got yourself a pair of sunglasses.
So we have been coming to the same store as we said for the last 2 years. This is our third time here, and we know a specific person. His name is Andre at Coach, and we have become friends almost. So we keep shopping, so he knows us very well. So you get like a additional 20% discount if you buy 2 or more items, but there are very specific items that you can buy. And for my sunglasses, that discount was not applicable, so we couldn't get a 20% overall for both the items. While we were checking out, he said, only for you guys I'm making an exception, and he gave us a 20% discount on both the items, so we saved a lot of money.
Yeah.
And it's awesome.
He's a damn sweet guy. I think he recognizes us now because
Yes.
we've become kind of regulars on an annual basis.
Yes.
So he came up to us today, greeted us. He's like, he remembers us. We were like, he won't remember us because it's
So many people keep coming.
yeah. But he was like, I remember you. And he's a sweetheart, honestly. I mean,
Yeah.
just the way he arranged for the discount and no pressures for anything. We were exploring other things, etc. But he just said, just for you guys, I'll make that exception. I'll give you the 20% discount.
Yay!
Love it.
Awesome.
Andre, if you're watching this, we love you.
Now where should we go, Prada?
I think we have one of your things that you have reserved at Gucci.
Yes.
So we should go and get that for you because they reserve it for about half an hour or so.
Yes, let's go.
संगीता, Gucci का first footwear आप खरीद रहे हैं after the Dionysus that you bought last year.
And this bag.
Oh yeah, this too you bought last year. Thank you. Hello, madam. Sorry, what?
It's heavy. The bag is very heavy. कुछ नहीं, सिंपल सी चप्पल है, कुछ ज्यादा नहीं.
सिंपल से तो नहीं है, भारी भरकम चप्पल है.
अभी पहन लूं क्या?
You wanna wear it here?
Yeah.
Wear it. तो संगीता के गुची का डेब्यू अभी के अभी आज के आज होने वाला है.
क्योंकि मैंने पहनी है आर्म्स, और यहाँ पे है मुंबई से ज्यादा गर्मी,
हाँ, और ये विंटर्स के लिए बना है.
और ये लाना, ये वुल है, तो मैं मर रही हूँ उधर गर्मी में, तो मैं डज विल वेयर.
हाँ.
Okay, too many sizes. These are so pretty. Look at them. So pretty. पहन लो?
So it's leather?
No, this is rubber.
Okay.
So मुंबई में बारिश हो, गोवा में बीच पे हो, I can wear them.
Okay.
Okay.
इसको यहीं में डाल दीजिए. आइए पहन के दिखाइए एक बार चल के.
Hey. Cool, right?
Lovely. Nice. So guys, while you get your discounts over here, what you also get is a VAT refund certificate like this, which assures another 13-14% of discount. तो वो इसमें mention रहेगा with your passport number, and all you need to do is present this.
At the
Planet tax free करके मिलता है, and that's all that you need to present at the airport, and that ensures another 12 to 13% returns for you. So वो discount और accentuate हो जाएगा आपके लिए. We have to declare it at Geneva airport from where we'll be flying back. Ordinarily, if you're flying back from Italy itself, you can do it at a tax-free lounge which is here at the mall. It's right at the end of the mall. But because we won't be flying out of Italy, we'll be flying out of Switzerland, Geneva. We've got to declare it there. So we're done with our retail therapy at Coach and Gucci, as can be seen. So we're now gonna explore a couple of more shops. We want to go and check out Prada once, and I think एक दो और दुकानें करके we will drive back to Florence. जहाँ, as Sangeeta told you in the morning, we're gonna have some sushi. We've found out the place where we want to have. It serves amazing sushi, and they're open, and we've taken a reservation, so good to go. So looks like we were not done with our retail therapy, huh, Sangeeta?
अगर वो उतना सस्ता हुआ तभी लूंगी, वरना नहीं लूंगी.
12 seconds later.
And there's one more coming.
Here again in the queue.
ये क्या हुआ? कैसे हुआ?
Yeah, बस.
हो गया बस. पहले you bought one,
Yes.
then that thing kicked in. वो French में क्या बोलते हैं? लालच.
Lalach. No, it's just that the price was amazing. There was an additional 30% discount.
Okay.
तो मैंने सोचा it's making sense because we will also get the tax refund.
हाँ.
So all in all, it's a good price.
So these two Prada के हमारे
Shopping bags.
shopping bags और Gucci का और ये Coach का. Hopefully हमारी retail therapy अब खत्म हो चुकी है.
Yes, हो चुकी है.
What are you having?
Salmon sushi, I think.
Yes, it is salmon sushi.
Yeah.
How is it?
So good.
So guys, we are finally done with our dinner. Since we didn't get a chance to review it while at the restaurant because we were busy gobbling it down, everything was really good barring the veg dumpling and this particular rice that we ordered, miso rice, right?
No, it was not miso. I think it was just fried rice with prawns.
Right. So I think there are a couple of things. I mean, it could just be us who didn't like it, and you know anyone else might just like it. But the sushis, they were just too good.
Yeah.
Strong recommendation. This was our second time at Sushi Nama, so it's really, really good, which is why we went back a second time. So do explore it. And now we're gonna call it a day. We are heading to our B&B. We are extremely exhausted because it's been a long day.
Yeah, it's been really long. And Akshay has been driving, and I am sitting in the passenger seat, and I'm still tired. So We also have to figure out the Airbnb, as in where are the keys. It's a self check-in sort of a setup, so we have to figure that out, park the car for the night and everything. So just when you're going for the first time, you need to just figure out everything, so that we have to do. It's already 10, almost 10. So yeah, it's been a long day, so we'll
Yeah.
just go and plop on the bed.
Yes. And for those guys who are curious and must be wondering what's the status of my neck is much better now. It's 90% healed, touch wood. I think another 2 or 3 days of just hot water bag should really heal it completely.
The next day.
It's our second day in Florence, and unlike yesterday, today it's monsoon season in Florence.
Yeah.
It's raining, it's cloudy. Actually, it rained the whole night, and today the whole day it's cloudy. We do see specks of the blue sky in the distance, but 1 second.
But all in all, it's extremely cloudy and rainy, and there are puddles of water everywhere.
Correct.
And I don't like it because हम मुंबई से आए हैं, ऑलरेडी हमने मॉनसून देख लिया है इतने महीने. अब थोड़ा इस सन का इंतजार था, बट
और ज्यूरिक में भी हमने 2 दिन मानसून ही देखा है.
जी बिल्कुल.
तो हम आए हैं with the idea, we didn't come in November, December as we usually do, with the idea that we'll be out, basking in the sun. But what's good is that unlike our last 2 times in Florence, it's still, summers, so it's not cold, and we can be in our, these short sleeve shirts, and Sangeeta can be in her dress. So it's really nice that way.
Akshay, I'm seeing you in a half sleeve shirt for the first time in Europe, I feel.
True that. So now for today we've planned, we wanted to visit Primark. We've not been able to go to Primark during our last 2 trips. So we thought
We have never been to Primark actually.
Yeah.
This is our first trip ever, and I'm not very confident about how it's going to be. Clothes wise, I have heard that the fabrics are not the best, so but the accessories, and I've heard there are cute things, so we'll go and just figure it out.
yes, so we're on our way to Primark, and then I think we won't spend more than half an hour, 45 minutes there maybe, and then we're gonna come back to Florence. We're gonna have some pizza and then explore some new places. We are in Primark और यहाँ पावर चला गया है.
दिखाइए जरा. लोग बिलीव नहीं करेंगे.
इस हिसाब से तो अपने मुकेश भाई और अडानी भाई आर मोर ट्रस्टवर्दी. हमारा तो बॉम्बे में एक बार भी कभी पावर गया नहीं है.
फ्लैशलाइट के साथ क्या करें?
क्या नुस्खे हैं. क्या क्या लिया आपने?
बहुत कुछ लिया.
I can see a big haul of things. पावर है नहीं पर लिया आपने काफी कुछ है.
यस. अक्षय, क्या क्या लिया तुमने?
I basically taken this quad set. मेरे को हमेशा से चाहिए था, like इस तरह का quad set with
जी.
a hoodie like this,
यस.
and another quad set which we have both decided to share. संगीता,
Yes.
ये सिर्फ आपका नहीं है, ये मेरा भी है,
जी.
which is
पर ये
basically
मेरे कबर्ड में रहेगा.
जिसके भी कबर्ड में रहे,
जी 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 जी.
बॉडी दोनों के पे रहेगा.
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है. बट दिस इज अमेजिंग.
Yes, this is a black one.
क्या यहाँ पे ज्यादा दिख नहीं रहा है, हम बाद में भी दिखा सकते हैं अच्छे से. Very nice.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
We did quite a bit of shopping. Akshay, what are you wearing? ये तो मैंने नहीं देखा पहले.
ये मैंने खरीद के डायरेक्टली वहीं से पहन लिया because it's so windy right now. And I
Looks
was
so
feeling-
nice. It's from Barishka, right?
Yes. Now we are on our way to La Michele di Attilia for our pizza. My
Yes.
Italian is just getting better by the day just because I know these restaurant names. So we're going for our margherita pizza. This happy face.
I was trying to keep an eye out for you. Which way did you come from? I came here and then was in the back.
Sangeeta, from exploring new places this time in Florence, this has changed into replicating and revisiting everything we did the last time because we loved it so much.
Yes.
Tell us more about the ice cream.
It's a gelato
Okay, sorry.
and it's mixed berries.
Okay.
It's yum. We had it. We had come here last year as well.
Yeah, it's there in one of our vlogs.
Yum.
I'm having a lemon sorbet, which is also really, really yum.
The small one, yes.
So we showed you the last shots of the leather market, and then we've switched to this view, which is at 9:30 in the night, because the whole day was really very monsoony and rainy and थोड़ा सा gloomy था, तो हमें भी बहुत ऐसे घूमने का मन किया नहीं. Now we are out on the street again, going to the pizzeria.
Same pizza place.
Yes. So here's some context about why we love this pizza place so much. We just chanced upon this place, which is the exact pizza we had in Naples last year.
Same restaurant.
Atlantica Pizzeria da Michelin. And though there was only one branch of it in Naples, and we were just frolicking through Florence, and just all of a sudden this looms up in front of us, and it took us like a good 2 minutes to like believe it that this branch exists. We went in there, we asked them, is this the same branch? And it is.
Same
And
branch as in same restaurant.
Same restaurant, yeah, it's the
Yeah.
same restaurant. And so now we've ordered our pizza, now I can't wait for it to come.
No, but it's surreal, right? Like I still can't believe, is this a dream or?
It's the magic of the tomatoes of Naples, right, which has been cultivated in the soil of Naples, which is very rich with the minerals from Vesuvius. Can't wait to experience Neapolitan Naples pizza in Florence.
Yay!
Now we are out on the street again, going to the pizzeria.
Same pizza place.
Yes.
Back to it, and we are wearing our shopping that we shopped. So I'll show what Akshay is wearing. It looks really cool, and because it's rainy, it's warm as well.
Yes, it's warm and toasty, and it's. I had always been on the lookout for a nice quad set,
Right.
and ये एक अच्छा कलर मिल गया मेरे को.
I love the color on you. Like it's purple, but not like really lavender. It's something between blue and lavender. Looks so nice, Akshay.
Thank you. Let me show you what you are wearing. You're also wearing quad. All in black.
Yes.
And warm and toasty as well.
Yes, very warm.
You also bought this from Primark.
Yes, I did. And it's amazing and it's very warm. Love it.
Nice. तो बेसिकली रात के ऑलमोस्ट 9:45 हो चुके हैं और हम बस पिज़्ज़ा खाएंगे एंड पिज़्ज़ा खा के वापस घर जाके सो जाएंगे.
जी.
And tomorrow we are going to be driving out of Florence, and we'll be going to Como.
And we will make no other promises, Akshay.
Yes.
Because we keep making promises and breaking them.
Yes.
So we will take it as it goes because we always believe in that.
Yeah.
So Como हमने last time उतना ज़्यादा किया नहीं, तो इस बार हम first time properly ये Como करेंगे. पर उसमें बहुत सारे different villages हैं because the lake itself is huge.
Yes.
So हम देखेंगे हमें क्या करने का मन करता है. Also depends on the weather a lot.
Yeah.
If it's raining constantly, then maybe just enjoy by the lakeside. But if it's sunny, then we might explore a little bit more. So let's see. The idea of the vacation or a holiday is to more or less relax. So वही है. Let's see क्या करेंगे.
So we are gonna end today's vlog here, and we'll see you in our next vlog and hopefully in Como. Until then, toodles!